Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special 1958 Impala. Just a gorgeous car. Beautifully restored, very correct, right down to the clamps and hoses. This was an originally California car. You can tell by the L in the VIN, and also by the California bumpers. The bumpers are a single piece as opposed to a three-piece bumper. Impala guy can tell that right off the bat. Beautiful color combination, finished in white with a red and silver interior. 348, 280 horse, tri-power. It's a Powerglide car. Padded dash, AM radio. Accessories like the finger guards here on the door handles. Tissue dispenser as well. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Super straight body. Excellent fitment of all the panels. Got the spinners on there also. We have the side skirts too, they're included. Or aftermarket item back then. Right down to the T3 headlights. This car is as it was. Beautiful chrome and stainless. Paint's about 20 years old. It still shows like brand new. Very little miles on the actual restoration. Runs and drives fantastic. I'll put the fish eye on so you can see a little bit better. And if I mentioned it's got the dual antennas. It's brand new. Gorgeous. And it's got the correct fuel cap. Beautiful chrome and stainless on this car. Original bumpers too. You just don't see them like this anymore. Let me show you the interior. See the L in the VIN right there. Los Angeles. Beautiful. You can even hear the original top clicking or ticking. Replacements clocks, you can't hear them tick. Padded dash. uh, 4,631 miles is believed to be what's on the restoration. AM radio. Tissue dispenser. Such a cool silver headliner. Just neat. Definitely a benchmark car. How it should be restored. There's numbers on the back seat. Look at that. So cool. .348 under the hood. And then as you can see here, it's got all the correct hoses, all the correct clamps, correct tri-power carburetor, and correct linkage as well. Also has a senior award, AACA, which is a very prestigious award. Very correct cars. Incredible. This is the junior award, but it has since gotten the senior award. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.